Good evening, everyone, and welcome to COVID-19 Facts First for this Thursday, May 7th. Monroe County rolled out a new website today to help trace COVID-19. Dr. Michael Mendoza, Monroe County's health commissioner, says it will track symptoms by zip code and hopefully identify patterns in the region. People with symptoms will enter their zip code and age, but no other identifying information. Entering your gender and race or ethnicity are optional, but encouraged. URMC has a new clinic that will work to stop the spread of the virus. The Central Respiratory Clinic is an outpatient clinic located at Clinton Crossings. It provides COVID testing and follow-up care for those who may have the virus. The clinic has strict safety protocols and sees around 50 to 60 patients every day. A doctor we spoke with says only about 10% of the patients actually test positive for COVID-19.
That probably indicates that there's other respiratory viruses active in the community. And again, we are seeing patients who have distinctly non-viral, non-COVID disease, such as bacterial pneumonia.
The team there also monitors patients at home through the Get Well Network app. Through the app, patients answer questions daily about key COVID symptoms. Their answers are sent to a central dashboard at URMC, where care managers and nurses receive alerts if a patient needs help. Senator Chuck Schumer is calling on the Department of Veterans Affairs to send supplies and PPE to New York veteran hospitals immediately. A report from the VA's Inspector General found nearly half of the U.S. veterans hospitals would soon run out of essential supplies. That report was released in March. Schumer says that the VA's response to the report has been too slow, jeopardizing the safety and health of its employees.
So as the largest healthcare provider in the nation, it's baffling that the Veterans Health Administration does not have a strategy in place to address the shortages of PPE in New York. And this is not to blame the great workers at these VA facilities. This is the administration in Washington and the top levels at the VA who are just not doing their job to protect their workers.
According to the report, facilities across the country were short-staffed and low on protective equipment like masks, shields, gowns, and sanitizer. The Finger Lakes region has 4 veteran hospitals. The state has 79 in total. Select companies could begin to reopen in our area next week if the region meets a set of requirements. Special advisor to the governor and Rochester Chamber of Commerce President Bob Duffy gave us an update today on the regional reopening efforts, and he says businesses are not required to submit reopening plans, but says it would be in their best interest to have a plan ready.
But we are strongly suggesting that every business create their own individual plan for reopening, which at a minimum would include the issues of face coverings and face masks, next social distancing, hand hygiene.
Duffy said there is still a need for more testing and contact tracing. He says they're necessary to meet the requirements set by the state government in order to enter into phase 1 of reopening. New York State has extended the amount of time renters hurting for money right now because of the crisis can postpone rent payments and not get evicted. The eviction ban will now last until August 20th. Governor Cuomo also announced today that the state is banning late fees on rent and will allow people to use their security deposits as payments and repay that deposit over time. The 2020 Rochester Music Hall of Fame ceremony has been canceled. Organizers made the announcement today. This year's ceremony was supposed to take place last month, but the Board of Trustees delayed it until the fall. However, amid the ongoing pandemic, it has now decided to cancel this year's ceremony altogether. The good news, this year's 5 inductees, including the Dady brothers and Roy McCurdy, will be celebrated on April 25th, 2021. If you bought tickets through the Eastman Theater, you can get a refund. Tickets for next year will go on sale in November. As always, keep it right here at rochesterfirst.com for all of the latest on COVID-19. You can follow us on Facebook and Twitter as well for news as it happens. Thank you for watching this online broadcast. Have a safe evening.